Not understanding the strength and power training concepts could leave you falling short of your goals and missing out on maximizing your results. Let's be specific. If your goal is to improve your pure strength, understanding where power training comes in is going to benefit your efforts greatly. If you're a bodybuilder and only concerned with building muscle mass, you could definitely benefit by understanding and incorporating both training approaches in your annual efforts to achieve gains to a stronger, more powerful body and physique. The main difference between power versus strength training is that strength refers to the ability to overcome resistance, while power refers to the ability to overcome resistance in the shortest period of time. Simply put, power equals force times velocity. This equation is important, and it means power can be improved by increasing force or velocity. In short, for power training, we want to move lightweight fast. Intent is everything when including it in your programming. In many of our RDF programs, we utilize a contrast training method that combines high-load strength movements with biomechanically similar plyometric movements. A familiar example might be doing a barbell squat immediately followed by a broad jump or box jump. The training effect is an increase in performance through a neurological response known as post-activation potentiation, or PAP. PAP refers to the enhancement of muscle function following high force activity, meaning heavy loading prior to an explosive movement induces a high degree of central nervous system stimulation. That results in greater motor unit recruitment, muscular contraction, and in turn, greater force production. In order to obtain an increase in power, we can either 1, increase force production, which most commonly done by adding load or weight. 2, increase velocity, which is the speed and direction of movement. While we may have the ability to move a heavy load, simply adding more load slows the rate at which the load is moving. So here's the question. With the knowledge that power equals force times velocity, if you increase the load and decrease the rate that load is moving, do we increase power production? The answer is no. If we are progressively overloading, one has to remain constant while we focus on increasing the other week by week. For power building blocks, choose a lighter load that you feel comfortable moving. Instead of increasing that said load, focus on moving the bar faster, jumping higher and farther week by week. While you might feel like your maximal strength decreases slightly, you'll see a significant increase in power production with properly applied programming. In the end, the increase in power will likely improve your maximum lifts as a result of the increase in efficiency through your neuromuscular system. This is an advanced training method. You should have a solid grasp on your fundamental movement patterns, high levels of pure strength, a level of conditioning to handle the intensity of the imposed demands, and a plan for application so you actually benefit rather than take steps backwards.